Hey, Tay here, so welcome to the Hjerde channel, welcome to v35, the first update for the Meta Quest 2. Because yeah, it's not Oculus Quest 2 anymore. It's on the Oculus blog though, and it's an Oculus software, but it's on the Meta Quest. This doesn't make any sense. Anyway, let's discover together this update point by point, because some parts are very interesting indeed. Let's get into it. Oh, by the way, because we're talking about the Oculus Quest 2, Meta Quest 2, well, this is the last month for the giveaway that we did for the 100k. Be sure to check it out, it's in the description below. Otello already received his. It's super awesome to be able to share VR with people. So, well, if you wanna try to win, well, links in the description below. Let's get into the update, right? Alright, so in this update we have a new mobile mixed reality camera, the possibility to get calls in VR, one of the most interesting things, cloud saves, updates to the app sharings, updates to the Horizon workrooms, and updates to the 2D apps. And the new possibility to actually test the updates before release. So well, let's start with the coolest, right? Let's talk about the mobile mixed reality camera. So we know the mixed reality is pretty cool and also pretty complicated to use. If you're a content creator, well, sometimes you want to do it, but you need a lot of stuff, green screen and everything. And well, this thing actually tries to solve this issue, at least for some users. Mixed reality, by the way, is the ability to put yourself in the game to actually show it in the best way possible. All the trailers and stuff are usually made with this technology. Now, what's the cool thing over here is that we're gonna be able to do it right with our phone, without green screens or stuff. Everything's gonna be contained in there. There's a catch though. The catch is that you have to have an iPhone for it, probably because they're using a depth sensor to do it. Unfortunately, it's not available for iPad or any Android devices. That's what I actually use. So I'm not really able to test it. We have a GIF that actually shows this in action and looks pretty good, to be honest. But yeah, I'm an Android user. I'm left behind, like always. Anyway, there are dozens of apps that actually support already mixed reality capture, and of course, gonna keep growing, but the most notable ones are, of course, Beat Saber, Super Hot VR, Pistol Whip, and Synth Riders. Do you have an iPhone? Well, let me know how it is. Point number 2 is Messenger calling in VR. Well, this is pretty straightforward. You're gonna be able to call people that don't have a VR headset also with your VR headset and vice versa. So that means if you're playing Onward or you're playing like a Beat Saber and stuff and you want to talk with somebody, well, you can actually do it. Of course, you have to be friends on Facebook. We have Messenger there from a while right now. So now there's also the support for the voice calls. So, well, you can talk to each other and have fun. And it's just a way to connect the outside with the metaverse. Yes, I said that. Not much to talk about it. Well, now you can make calls, and that's pretty much it. Point number 3, the most interesting one for me personally, are the cloud saves. Well, this is very important for sure. Something that we are used to on the Xbox, on PlayStation, on Steam and stuff, and Oculus never actually had that. Well, now what we have is the possibility to have cloud saves on different games. So now even if you factory reset your Oculus Quest 2, well, you're gonna keep your saves because are gonna be all in the cloud. So in a moment you re-download the game, the saves are gonna be there, and you're not gonna lose your progression. It's like Medal of Honor, Moss, or something like it. Something that already happened to me in the past, and restarting over and over every time is kind of, you know, a bummer. So the fact that they actually implemented the cloud saves is great. Now, not all the games are gonna have it right away. It's something that developers can opt in, and it's super easy to do, and some can also opt out and never do it. I don't understand why they should do that, but well, that's a possibility. They also created a page where you can actually manage your backups, your cloud saves, and I'm gonna leave the link in the description below so you can check it out and see what games actually support it. The cloud saves are gonna start to roll out from v35. v35 is gonna roll out from today, so well, you know, it's gonna arrive pretty soon also on your headset. And by the way, if you want to update manually, I made a video over here to know how to do it. When I'm gonna find the files, I'm gonna put them in the description below so you're gonna be able to update from there. Always update from the button before, so in case you have to be on v34 to actually update to v35. Well, with point number 4, we might actually have a way to actually test the updates before, because now they're opening a public test channel. You have to sign up there, and you're gonna be able to test the updates before they actually hit. That is actually something that it's a beta, so of course, you're gonna get in bugs and something because not everything is ready right away. You can give feedback, you can tell the bugs that you're finding, and you can have prior access to actually the updates. If you are an insider on Microsoft with Windows, it's pretty much the same thing. So you're gonna get locked in that beta update and you're not gonna be able to roll out until that update actually reach the regular version. So at that point you can get out, or you're gonna start again with the new version of the update. Of course, do it at your own risk. There's a sign up in the description below, and the limited numbers. So if you want to get in, do it fast. Then now let's talk about smaller updates for the platform. So the first one is that app sharing is actually getting out of the experimental version. So now it's just normal for everyone. You're gonna find it in an account section of the settings. So, well, it's not a beta anymore. You can create accounts and share your apps with other people. Then the other update is for Horizon Workspace, the social VR working app for the Quest. Well, now companies are gonna be able to create their own rooms, also add their logos and stuff, to be able to personalize a bit and to be able to feel like in their own office. And so that's an update that had to come. It was announced actually at OC7. It's not OC8 anymore. It's like Meta something. Let's say the Last Connect. And well, now they're starting to deliver. So if you have a company or stuff, it's very interesting indeed. You can start to personalize your actual workspace. And then the other update is that they're adding different 2D apps to the store, because we know that they started with Facebook, Instagram and stuff, and now they're starting to add more and more apps. Nothing super interesting, but they keep adding in, so that's the update. But anyway, that was all for update v35. I think this is pretty interesting, mostly for the cloud saves and the mixed reality stuff that I'm not gonna be able to try anyway. Is this a huge update, an insane update? Well, let me know, because it seemed pretty cool, to be honest. That was all. The first Meta Quest 2 update arrived, v35, and we discovered it together. So, as always, if you liked the video, like. If you didn't like the video, dislike. Subscribe to the channel for more VR tech. If you really love the channel, join the join button down there. And for also the Patreon in the description. Thanks to all the patrons who joined the channel, of course, because it supports over here. And yeah, that's all. Like, dislike, subscribe. See you guys next video. Thanks for watching. Oh, the giveaway down there. Ciao.